So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a US or a UK TikTok account. Now, I mean how to create an international TikTok account in Africa or in Nigeria in 2025. Now, if this video seems like what you are going to be interested in, you know what to do. Sit tight, watch this video to the end, and please do not forget to like, share, and also do what? Subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So for us to be able to open this account, we'll be needing one of these countries on your screen right now. Now the reasons why I put this country is because these are the countries that are eligible for Creators Reward Program once you get to 10K, and also the pilot program. Now for the essence of this video, we'll be using the UK. So the step one is for us to first of all get a VPN, and for this we'll be using the Potato VPN. For this we are going to be setting our location to the United Kingdom. Now you can use the US or Japan or even South Korea, but for this we'll be using the UK. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you why you need the UK. Now the next on our list is for us to use our Chrome. Now please, if you're an Apple user, please use Chrome. After we are logged in into our Chrome browser, we are going to be using the incognito tab. Yes, we are just going to go ahead and click on the incognito tab, and it's going to bring us to this interface. Now on this search bar right here, we are going to be typing www.tiktok.com. Just follow any step that I follow in order for you to get the result that I get. So we are going to be using the typing the TikTok app, and it's going to bring out this thing. Please decline optional cookies and also click on not now. Do you understand what I'm saying? Decline optional cookies and also click on not now. So we're going to be pressing on this icon right here, and once you're done with that, it's going to bring us to this interface where it says log in. Now we are going to click on this press, it says log in, and you see the place where it says sign up. Please go ahead and click on what? Sign up, because we are trying to create a new account. So we're going to be clicking on this place where it says use phone or email. We're going to be clicking on that. This is for us to input our birthday, and please, any year that you're using should be more than 18 years. And for this, I'm just going to be using this random. So after I'm done with that, it's going to bring us to this page where it says input your phone number. Because we don't have a US or UK phone number, we're going to be clicking on the email, and on this part is where we get to type our email address. So I'm just going to go ahead to input the email address I'm going to be using to create this particular account. Now, for the email address, make sure it is email that you have not used to open any TikTok account before. I don't know if you understand. If you are going to be creating email fresh and use it to open it fresh, the better for you. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on this box and click on what. Now, after I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead to create the password that I'm going to be using for this account. So just go ahead and do what? Input the password. Now, next is for us to what? Verify the email address, and for this, TikTok is going to send you a code. So they're going to send you the code in your email. Just go ahead and copy the code and also paste it here. After I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead to create a username. It's going to bring us to this interface. Now you have the option to skip it, or you just go ahead to create it on the go. So I'll just go ahead and going to do what? Type in the random name that I want to use. So if you're watching this video up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please do well to like, share this video, and also subscribe, because we are on a mission to hit 100 subscribers. So after we are done with that, we are just going to input the name, and then we're going to click on what? Sign up, and you can see we are successfully doing what? Sign up. Voila, this account is ready. As you can see, the account is what? Ready. Now let me show you, for those that will be doubting if it's truly a UK account. So I'm just going to click on this, and you can see this place where it says account region, and you can see it says UK. So the next, we are going to log into our TikTok account, but before we do that, we have to close the incognito mode, clear it, and then log into our TikTok account. On this part, we are going to click on add. So on this part, we are going to click on log in, and then we're going to say log into another account. Now we are going to click the part where it says use phone number, and at this part we'll click on what? Email as slash username. Now we are going to type in the email address we use in opening that account in the incognito mode. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Just input the email address here on this particular part. Now when you are done, immediately you click on what? Continue. So after you are done, TikTok is going to send us a code for us to verify the email. So I'll just go ahead and input that particular code that TikTok gave to us. Now after I'm done with that, we are also going to do what? Successfully sign in into our UK TikTok account. This is how you can create a UK TikTok account in 2025 in just few easy steps, all for free. So if you are watching and you have not subscribed, I don't know what the problem is, but all I want you to do is to please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe. Now you can see the account balance. You can see that this currency is in GBP. Do you understand? You can see that it is in GBP, showing that it is in what? United Kingdom. So for those that are asking why why I used the UK, is because during verification you don't need to submit resident permit, all those permit that the US requires. So that's why I said you should use the UK, because their process is just easy and collecting your money is very what? Easy. Now if you click on this part and you can scroll down to the part where it says benefit. So if you scroll down to the part where it says benefit, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now when I click on it, it's going to bring out this platform, this particular place. We're just going to go ahead and click on continue. You can see that various things, they have video gifts, playlists, reward program, TikTok seller shop, and lots more, other than how it used to be in what when you have your African TikTok account. Now if you are gain a value from this 18 or 2 and you have not subscribed, please do well to like, share this video and subscribe.